period settings in Leave module. In Zoho People, setting a pay period involves configuring how often your employees are paid and specific setting related to each pay cycle. Let's see how to add a pay period setting in the system. So we need to navigate to settings, and then we have leave tracker, and under configuration we have the option pay period. Click on configure pay period. So you can give a pay period name, and then under the option pay period cycle, select the frequency based on which your employees are getting paid. So you can select monthly, weekly, bi-weekly or half monthly option. So after selecting a particular frequency, then you need to mention the start and end date. So you can either pay your employees from first and last day of a month, or you can say the end date is 20th, which means your pay cycle will run between 21st of previous month to 20th of the current month. So after selecting the start and end date, then you will have to define the payroll processing day. So payroll processing day is when the LOP report will get generated in the Leave Tracker module. So you can select a specific date on when the LOP data has to be processed. So we'll select 21st, and then we have payroll report generation day. So payroll report generation day is when the payroll report will get generated in the system. So let's make this date as 23rd. The reason why there is a date difference between payroll processing day and payroll report generation day is that there is a 1 day gap between these two reports. In this 1 day, the admin will have an option to edit the LOP data. However, if you are generating both the reports on the same day, you will not be able to manually make changes to the LOP data. So once these two dates are set, you can enable the option called Process Leave Encashment. In case if leave encashment option is enabled for any of the leave policies defined, and you wish to process leave encashment on a monthly basis or based on your pay cycle, enable this option. And then we have the option any pending approval request by the end of payroll processing day. So my payroll processing day is on 21st of every month. What if there are pending requests, which means pending leave approvals, pending regularization approvals, pending timesheets? What should happen to these pending approvals? You can either auto-reject those requests, or you can auto-approve, or you can keep them in pending status. You can also enable this option lock. When lock is enabled, your employees will not have an option to submit leaves, regularize their attendance, submit on duty, submit their timesheets after the payroll processing day. So the option to submit all these requests will be locked 12 AM on the payroll processing day. And finally, you can also select the applicable locations. If you have a different pay cycle for each of the locations, you can create multiple pay cycles based on your locations. You can also see a very quick summary here based on the configuration that you have done. Once you are done with all the options, click on Save, and there is an option to add one more pay cycle. So only if your pay cycle is set in the system, you will be able to get the correct LOP information and payroll information in Zoho People. This is about creating your pay cycle in the system.